Good evening. Myself Ketan Somani, FMB batch 17. I am interviewing Mr. Sahas Bagi, FMB batch 15, March batch. He is into jewellery business and is handling the firm Chandukaka Saraf. Sahas, I would like to know about two decisions, one successful decision and one unsuccessful decision which you have taken from past 1 year.
First, we'll start with the successful decision. In the last 1 year, we have opened 2 procurement offices, one in Kolkata and one in Dubai. Now, the logic behind opening of Kolkata office was most of the jewellery, gold jewellery, the Kolkata made jewellery, it is made in Kolkata. And right now, we are facing acute shortage of labor. Labor means Karagir who has the art of making these things.
Yeah.
So, our vision down the next 10 years, we think there won't be any Karagir left in Maharashtra or in this belt. So from now only we are planning to set up an office there. We have already set up office there, and we are starting a small factory premises over there so that we can make the jewellery from there and we can transport it
To Maharashtra.
to Maharashtra. Another advantage we have is because that is the epicenter from where the jewellery is made.
Yeah.
So the designs which we make, they come to Mumbai after 3 to 4 months. So we are already in the lead by 3 to 4 months in the designs.
Right.
Plus the labor rates and the wastage over there, they are cheaper, around 20% cheap. So this gives us an advantage in this competitive field. Secondly, we have also opened office in Dubai. We have opened office in Dubai because of the 2080 rule. Since last 2 years, because of the CAD, current account deficit, government has imposed lots of restriction on import of gold. So any person, if he has to import gold, he has to export 20% of it. So for that, we have opened up an office in Dubai so that this will facilitate our import of gold.
Okay, and this also helps you in taxation benefits also?
No, it doesn't help in taxation.
Because like if you are importing gold from Kolkata, like
We have to pay our duties.
duties have to be paid.
Duties have to be paid.
Okay, and what about the unsuccessful decision? Like not unsuccessful, but any
One decision which didn't
Work out.
go as didn't work out is we have started an e-commerce portal.
Okay.
Since like we are thinking from 1.5 years, but implementation has started from last 1 year. The logic behind it was we can supply. Now the e-commerce business is booming.
Yeah.
So we have thought some certain materials of silver or diamond we can put on website and we could market it to our customers all around. The advantage, as you know, is there are no overheads. You can reach to Nook and Corner.
And
So we had our team. We started the e-commerce portal. We made our website. We had a photo set up, and everything. But the main problem we are facing is in the logistics. As the metal is very precious, the insurance charges are very high, and they don't go to the most of the places. They only go to metros. And Blue Dart and all the Blue Dart, they don't carry any expensive material above 5,000, and the charges are very high, above 5,000. And secondly, the payment gateway charges is also about 3%. Now in jewelry business, the turnover is very high, but the margin is around 4%, 5%. So that 3% and logistic charges, we are not able to cover up. So we are not getting response in e-commerce.
okay. So thank you, Sahas. It was helpful for me for the current task.